I was once, it's not that every scholar has, every Muslim should be having some sort of wird, some sort of prescription that he holds firm onto. I was once with Habib Umar of Yemen and Hafidhahullah, and we were driving in the car together in Durban, and he said, Man laysa lahu wirdun fahuwa qirdun. A person who does not have something to hold on to in terms of a wazifa, a wird, something that he does regularly on a regular basis, then such a person is not worthy of being called a human being, actually, he said. So nevertheless, one of the things that I try to hold on firmly to is a small part of the Holy Qur'an, which I try to recite on a regular basis. Every single day I have a certain amount of the Qur'an which I try to recite, and I believe it is very, very important for the Ummah to turn back to the Qur'an. The Qur'an has got rights upon us. Number one, we should be reciting the Holy Qur'an. We should be trying to understand the Holy Qur'an. We should be trying to ponder and reflect over verses of the Holy Qur'an, and we should be implementing and practicing the Holy Qur'an. If the Ummah comes back to the Holy Qur'an, inshallah, that will be the means of the upliftment of this Ummah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And therefore I like to appeal to everyone, let our lives rotate around the Holy Qur'an.